A strenuous life of manual labor can sometimes lead to back injuries. For Dr. Lon Jensen of Corvallis, the physical rigors of ranch life and his busy dental practice eventually caused him debilitating back and leg pain.
Football started it all, I suppose, but then you get on with life and have some cow accidents and horses, on and off horses the hard way, and a horse falling on me, and then a little bit of dentistry. It all leads to a bad back. 4 or 5 years ago, I was starting to have problems. I went to a surgeon here in town in Corvallis, and he said he didn't think that he would do anything, would not perform any surgery, it's okay. I wasn't really satisfied, and then just went on for years. So it got to the point where 1.5 years, 2 years ago, I was having trouble walking. I didn't want to walk, it hurt. I didn't want to sit, or I didn't want to stand anywhere. And so I finally got to the point I had to do something. Several people, professional people, in the medical field in Corvallis, recommended I go to Eugene to the Spine Institute, which I did. And they had recommended Dr. Noonan, and I was very much impressed with him the first time I met him. He suggested, he had all the MRIs and the x-rays and so on, and suggested possibly Dr. Phillips doing some steroid injections first, which I had done, and that probably lasted a couple, 2-3 weeks the first time. And then several months later, another time with Dr. Phillips, and that lasted maybe a week or so. Finally, I got to the point I said, look, I've had it. Let's get the surgery done. So Dr. Noonan and I decided to do that the 22nd of July, and it was great. It's drive-by surgery as far as I'm concerned. You go in the morning, you're out in the afternoon. I knew that it was going to be successful. I just had that feeling about him, knowing people, but I also knew about myself that my attitude is I've been docked on my butt, figuratively speaking, and literally a number of times in my life, and I've always gotten up. And I knew this was going to be a short-term type of thing, that I'd be okay. And so one of the things that they recommended, by the end of 6 weeks, you were supposed to walk 2 miles. And I said, I can do this. I did it in 3 weeks. From the home over here, it's a mile, a little over a mile, and back again. So I know my limitations. I know I push the envelope. And it's been a huge success. There's no pain. I don't even think about it anymore, except once in a while I get a tightness there, but that's just the body conforming to a new configuration, you know.
Thanks to the surgical skills of Dr. Chris Noonan and the pain management expertise of Dr. Gregory Phillips at the NeuroSpine Institute in Eugene, Oregon, Lon Jensen got his life back.